Namituyo niya, sir. We are from Department of Foreign Affairs.
Oh no!
Apo.
Ada number tau dong. Stay tau dong may number.
Wala na ba?
Wala na. Kontak mo daan.
Opo. Sir William. Siya. Namituyo niya, ma'am. From Department of Foreign Affairs. Check-in po. Schedule mo sa check-in para sa visa.
Oh no!
A few moments later.
Yep. Hi sir, good morning. We are looking for Sir William Jones.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, we are from the government, from the Department of Foreign Affairs.
So weird.
We are here to check your visa and passport. You have already an ACR card. We are having a home service checking.
Yan ang hirap sa mga hindi nag-aaral.
Yeah.
So what do we have to do?
We're just going to check if do you have an ACR card? Yeah, we're just updated, sir, because we have here
Where's the government ID? Where's the government ID? Oh, hell no! I'm not stupid. Where's your government ID?
Your government.
The government ID.
Yes. Po.
Wow!
Department of Foreign Affairs. That's still post. Oh no! Department of Foreign Affairs.
Now this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
Fill up lang din.
I'm not giving them a
Isa may mag-enter. Isa may mag-enter. Para mo-enter.
Isa ko malabo.
Isa mo right? Ay mo na ba?
Ay!
Ayun na lang. Ayun nga na-enter ka.
Oh no!
Sorry, bro.
better.
Yeah, getting open the back of the Just kidding, sir. We are not from the Department of Foreign Affairs anyway. It's a surprise delivery for you. Happy birthday. Say it's your birthday today. Your age, sir, is already 45. Yan. So, happy 45th birthday. It's a surprise delivery for you. Are you happy? Yeah. Anyway, we have a short program. So, shall we? Alright, so good morning, sir. Anyway, we are not from the Department of Foreign Affairs anyway. It's a surprise delivery for you. We are here to surprise you, and there's a special person, a special someone who made this for the extra special celebration. Alright, so anyway, we are from EverythingSurprises, Pagadian City. We're just here to deliver this surprise for you. Alright, so anyway, since you celebrate 45th birthday today, a lot of gifts, a lot of special gifts she wants to give to you today. Alright, so this time, since you are celebrating your 55th birthday, we have here Gian's Pizza. 3 boxes Gian's Pizza. Happy birthday. And then this time it's your birthday. We have here, as we call this, pancit. Yes, that's for you. And then, as we celebrate your birthday today, she has also a gift which is called kakanin. For you, happy birthday. Alright. And then we have also here 4 pieces ukis lechon manok. And then syempre birthday today. Every occasions, you deserve a birthday cake. Happy birthday. That's for you. She has also a special gift for you, sir. Yeah. I don't know if I go.
It's not gonna be.
Gamay ba? Video. Opo.
It's okay, man.
Delicious sweet.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
That's fun. Yeah, those sweet things, that's fun.
Alright. Sensya kayo. Kang tana mo kulit mo sa may sweet is sa regular fit order do ka sizes.
Those sweet cake.
Okay pa. Okay, so that's for you, sir. Hindi kayo ko. Well, anyway, happy birthday. So as we celebrate your birthday, your special someone, your wife, is also having a special letter for you, alright? I'll be going to read her letter. Alright, so here's the special letter for you, sir. I am a rich woman because I have a husband with a rich heart. Not every woman are as lucky as I am to have married their soulmate. I want you to know that I love and I adore you, honey. Happy birthday to you, my husband. You really are good to be true. My life would not be the same without you. So here's to you. To your brilliance, your kindness, your strength, and your kindness, and your everlasting charm. I love you so much. Happiest 45th birthday, my love. Yours truly, your wife, Rowena. Ayan, baka naman natin. This is coming from your wife, sir. So now, what can you say about her surprise today?
Any message for her?
Thank you, babe.
Wow, sweet naman.
Alright, so thank you so much. Are you happy, sir? As we celebrate your 45th birthday. Alright, so now this is not the end of our surprise. So there's something harana, as we call this, as she prepared this. Alright. So you are going to listen a song from our singer.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
They also have a singer. Okay.
Mag-dance sila.
Oh, yeah. Pwede.
What is it?
Mag-dance.
Yan, dance po.
Alright, so thank you so much for that wonderful song.
Picture kayo. Tawagin mo Picture kayo. I'm gonna pull the boys also para make sure they're there.
Alright.
Kami sa nila, Brian.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Tawagan ko yung boys. Ako na.
Sige po. Alright, so everyone, as we celebrate the 40th birthday of Sir William Jules, so this time we're going to sing a happy birthday. Alright, everybody!
Hey, come on!
Clap your hands, everybody! Clap your hands, everybody!
To you,
Everyone!
happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, clap your hands everybody. Happy birthday, sir. Are you happy? Are you happy? Alright, now, so some of his friends have come. Many message to other friends. Okay na. Alright. Alright, so thank you so much everyone for participating. And now, we're so happy then, no? And as we celebrate the birthday, and we're so thankful, Mom, for choosing us and Everything Surprises to become this all possible. Alright? So now, in behalf of Everything Surprises, I believe there are lots of birthdays to celebrate with your wife and the whole team here. What they call the company? Rank Fortress. Yeah. Anyway, it's an honor and privilege for us for being here, and we are one who you choose us, Ma'am, and Everything Surprises. Daghang kayong salamat sa iyong pagpili. Daghang salamat sa sir. Sabi ni, wala naman siguro yung part or request pa ka, Ma'am, another song?
Yeah, another song.
Alright. So, nag-request si Ma'am for another song. Alright. Pagbigyan natin si Ma'am.
Please.
Sige po. Marami available na song na.
Nah, that's fine. Whatever. I like your voice.
Sis is just like me. I knew it. I was like, sis is just like me. She's like, screw this. Me and my pizza.
Those times you do for me, for all the truth, for all the joy you brought to my heart, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love without you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one that held me up, never let me fall. You're the one that
So this time, para bibo ang birthday ni Sir. Namin last part of program of dance challenge, right? So let's dance together. Oh, power daw po, power. Okay, everyone, isa pa ng mga dancer dira. Dili, kita ka na. Maganda na hotline. Opo. Lahat pa na lahat. Pabok. Ayan. Wait. Happy birthday again, sir. Are you happy, sir? Alright. Alright, so thank you so much everyone for participating sa atong celebrant para mabibog yung iyahang celebration today. Well, anyway, are you happy, sir? Today? As you celebrate your 45th birthday. Anyway, happy birthday once again sa Everything Surprises. We're so thankful and grateful for you, Ma'am Rowena, for choosing us to be here to surprise your husband. And then, it's an honor and privilege to surprise your husband today. And then, once again, sir, happy 45th birthday. We always live life with full of happiness, peace, and joy, alright? So once again, happy 45th birthday. Everything's from Everything Surprises. Ayan. Malakpakan naman natin ito, sir. Bye-bye lang, sir. Then bye kiss. Bye! Bye kiss.